Hey, so I'm in Tellico Plains, and you're gonna come north to Tellico Plains on the road by Hardee's and Tellico Cafe. And when you get to Fairview, take a right. So my goal is to slay the dragon. My next break is going to be at the Deals Gap store. But I didn't want to take 360 ball play. So Fairview is another way to get to 360 ball play. Yeah, I don't really know how to explain it. It's a little bit longer route, but it's a little bit more desolate and interesting back in here. This road will put you out where 360 turns, where you make the first turn to go to the lake. This road will drop you out a little bit past that, a little bit north of that. Almost to Madisonville, Tennessee is where this road's going to dump us. But if you've watched my videos for 360, this road's prettier than 360, I think. But in some places, the road's going to be a lot worse. It's more narrow. And with the weather we've had lately, I'm going to expect a lot of debris on the road. There's also an Amish farm store out here, if you're into that kind of thing. I'll try to point it out to you when we get there. I'm thinking there was an Amish buggy on this road recently. Oh, I'm thinking there's one now. Amish are fucking cool. I don't care what you say. It's not the lifestyle for me, but I absolutely respect them so much. Where that gray car is coming out, that is where the Amish farm market is. I would take you down there, but that road is not conducive to riding a motorcycle on. told you the road gets worse, right? It gets worse before it gets better. It's still beautiful out here though. I'm pretty sure we're the only motorcycle that you're going to see in this video on this road. Watched my video last weekend. This is going to be the second Fairview road that I've shown you that is a good road. Buggy went this way too. I wish he weren't in front of us. He's going to try to hold us off, not let us get around him. It's the local thing to do. Everybody knows that a Ram 1500 is faster than a motorcycle. Especially one like that one. It hasn't been tuned in since it came out of the factory.